Roofing installations are oftentimes delayed for months due to materials not being available, especially after a storm. A blue tarp is just not going to work. WrapRoof developed and patented the most effective temporary roofing solution available.
Hey everyone, this is Larry Bond with WrapRoof, and I want to tell you about some of the tools that you'll be using once you arrive on your job site. Zach and I are going to pick this up, and then about waist level, we're just going to walk across the roof.